Good morning. Good morning, love. I hope you are having a wonderful start to your day. Wherever you are in the world, I am going for one of my morning walks. I'm alone technically with the monster who scares away when I'm walking. What I notice in the morning when I'm walking and men are coming in towards my direction, they go on the road. It has been going on for a long period of time. Whenever I'm walking with Hendy, well, enough of that. So today I am walking. I don't have a big schedule for today, but I'm taking it easy as usual. I'll be meeting up with a friend we met a couple years ago. I'm not sure if she wants to be on camera, but we'll be meeting today. Listen to me. We are on orange, acting like we are on green, but yeah, that's after the walk. I'm going back home, have a light breakfast, and then we meet up in the afternoon. Before the pandemic, I enjoy meeting up friends in the afternoon. I'm not so enthusiastic about it anymore because, you know, I'm just not enthusiastic as I used to be in the past. But I'm taking it. Take it slow, oh, oh. Taking my feelings slowly. So I'm meeting up with a friend. We met, I want to say 6 or 7 years ago here. And we have a fun time. Buenos días, Raúl.
Servidor.
Sí. Gracias. Oh, I love sunflowers. I have sunflowers that I'm gonna be planting soon.
You also have 15,000 plants here.
Oh my goodness, not that much, but we're getting there. Hey, Cinco.
Yes. Did you get a picture of my turkey sandwich and fruit? Or video rather?
Yes, I did.
Yes.
At the Anthropology Museum. We just finished with Musuem Tamayo, and the Anthropology Museum is a very big museum. It has a lot of information inside and it can be overwhelming for me, and so I had my friend going ahead of me while I am here eating. It's now, let's see the time, 2:39. And during this time I would have dinner, which is like a lunch and dinner. So I'm getting a cup of fruits in the sun. When I'm finished, then I'm gonna go catch her up in the museum. The Anthropology Museum. Only that section is open. So we are heading out. The weather is nice, isn't it?
Yes, gorgeous.
We have vendors. If you are hungry from your 2-hour walk in the museum, once you get out, you'll be sure to have something to eat. Maybe not what you like, but there is something to eat. Torta, burger, fries, hot dog, fruit, aguas. Right?
Maybe after my torta, I might want to make, or I could do that another day. It's always
Ooh. Ooh. Torta. See. We're at a very traditional restaurant. Very traditional.
Do you have a YouTube channel? I didn't know that.
Okay. Mole, lengua. What are you having?
Oh, it's beef? Yeah. It's mostly mushroom soup.
What are you having?
Pollo poesía.
And what are you having?
The same thing as Oreo. Nothing.
Take these, I'll have my
Jerk.
soup. I have my soup.
Okay. Thank you.
Yo, todo.